Hello, this is Nikisha Jariwala. Alright, so let's go through the demonstration of the coding challenge, which is given by the company. Here is the question of the coding challenge, and more precise, this coding challenge is related to the front end development, and the candidate has to develop the application in React.js. So here is the question. So within this question, it specifies that the candidate has to develop a web page with the help of which user will able to search the movies, and according to the list that is retrieved through the API, user must able to nominate the movies, favorite movies of the user. And as soon as user has nominated 5 movies, the user must be notified that the nomination is completed. Now you are not able to nominate more movies. And if by mistake user has nominated the wrong movie, user must able to remove that movie from the nominated list. So first of all, let's go through the demonstration of that application. So here is the application that I have developed. Let's fire the command, that is npm start. So here it is. It will start the execution of the application. Webpack is compiled, and here is the web page. So over here a very simple interface is created which says that user is able to nominate up to 5 movies for the awards, and for that purpose, according to the search that is made by the user from this text box, user will get the list of movies. And when user will click on the nominate button, the movie will be transferred to the nomination list. I'm specifying over here the keyword, that is speed. So as soon as I have typed the word speed, you are able to see all movies that contains the word speed in the movie name. These are the movies which contains word speed in its name. And according to the question of the coding challenge, it specifies that we need to display at least the name and year of that particular movie, that is the year in which the movie was released, and along with that we also need to provide the nominate button. So when user will hover over this particular cover image of the movie, the name, release year, and the nominate button is displayed. So let's nominate the movies first, then let's second, then let's go through like this, third, this one fourth, and this one fifth. So as soon as I have nominated 5 movies, you are able to see over here the notification or the alert that is displayed that you have nominated 5 movies, you cannot nominate more. Right now, if I think that I have nominated this movie but I don't want to move ahead with this movie, then as you are able to see, here is the remove button. By clicking on this remove button, this movie will be removed from this nomination list. So here it is, the movie is removed from the nomination list, and that alert message or the notification is also removed from here. Now I want to nominate this movie. Okay, I want to nominate this movie, so I will click on nominate button, and it is added into the nomination list, and again that alert is displayed that you have nominated 5 movies. Now another important thing, as I have already nominated this movie, now if I will click on this nominate button again, then we will not see effect of that click, because this button is now disabled as this movie is already nominated, as you are able to see within this nomination list. So this is how this web page is created for the application. And along with that, I have also, okay, let's do one thing. Let's search on some another movie. Let's take it as RAM. So see, the Movies that contains the word RAM has been listed over here, right, as you are able to see over here. And if you remove this from the nomination list, and let's take it as this one, see, now this movie is added within the nomination list. Now, as you are able to see that we can search more than one keywords through this text box, and we are able to nominate different movies according to the search result. Now, another important thing is that I have developed this web page as a responsive web page. So if I will change the size of my browser, see, if I will change the size of my browser, you are able to see that this particular web page is the responsive web page. According to the size, each and everything is displayed over here. See, as you are able to see, each and everything is displayed according to the size of the screen, as I have changed my browser size. So I have developed this web page as a responsive web page. So that is also one another important feature that I have added for this coding challenge. So this was a demonstration related to the question that was given in the coding challenge. Thank you.